I'm sorry. I don't want to rule or conquer anyone. I should like to help everyone if possible. Jew, Gentile, black man, white. We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery. We don't want to hate and despise one another. In this world there's room for everyone, and the good earth is rich. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical, our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much and feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent, and all will be lost.
Man, that was a lot of rocks. What's going on, YouTube? So here with the gang right now. Oh yeah. He had a question for me, but anyways, so we're gonna be riding up the canyon this morning, and it's a little bit overcast. Looks like some wildfires probably happened because we're in Utah and that's the thing here, so may smell further up the mountains we get. Just gotta fuel up real quick and then I'll cut to the ride. Yeah, got the gang here today. Morning. Feels good though, because it's hot out. My left eye is watery so bad. I feel like I just got a bunch of crap in my eye. Love it. Always for the kids. Going up here, there's gonna be a nice little lookout point. There it is. Gotta keep looking at the road though. Been through this canyon before, just following the leader. We'll see how it is. Hopefully there's no gravel here today. We're going to be taking another path, but that's where our friend went down, and a lot of other people, I guess, are pulling off here. What is going on? So beautiful. Take it all in. So my buddy up here, That's sin_street636, and make sure that you follow him on Instagram, YouTube. Other guys never look at you, but anyways, yeah, he's got some actually really good content on his Instagram, so go ahead and give him a follow. We'll be riding more often, doing some collab content as well. Man, look at this view though. That is so beautiful. It's a distraction. You're trying to take it all in, but you can't take your eyes off this road, especially I'm not familiar with it. Not the best idea. That guy won't do anything. And I actually really like this little canyon. I've only actually driven it once in my car. It's nice to see it. Take it more in on the bike. That's the thing about when you're on a motorcycle, you can just have a different appreciation with some of these roads. When you drive through it, sure, you may notice it's beautiful, but there's a different feel, and words can't really describe it. It's just too bad we have so much traffic through here. I know we wanted to take it a little bit faster. It's honestly probably best, knowing that's my first time. I'll want to take it faster than I probably should. So, where we're at now, we're up in a town called Eden. Snow Basin's right up and over those hills, and probably one of my favorite ski resorts to go to be honest. And that's where some of the Olympic Games coming in 2034, they're going to be held. I would love to be able to invest into some property up there. Just as rental property, I think. Once after the Olympics, or the closer we get to the Olympics, that area is just going to blow up. Really good area to invest into right now. Out. What a great day to be out on the water. So I guess we're doing a little bit of a regrouping here before we try to figure out what canyon we want to go to. I think it's up in the east side called the Divide. We'll see. I'll cut to that once we get going again. But here's the bikes. Got a Jigster 1000, my ZX10, ZX6, and I'm gonna say it right this time, a Z500, not M500. Canyon. I got the gym here in about an hour and a half, so I'm going to be heading back. We'll enjoy the rest of this ride. I'll try to crop some of it together if there's anything cool that comes up. But difficult to pass them. That Z500. Man, that was a lot of rocks. Oh, fuck. You good? There with my bike. Oh fuck. Oh man. I locked up my front. I locked up my front. Fuck. Yeah, I'm good. I didn't see that. Oh man. Yeah, I shut my bike off. Oh, that was stupid. That was so freaking stupid. That was so dumb. Well, it's been fun. Yeah, I'm good, man. Well, how bad is it? My watch knows I went down. So here's some of the damage done. My MBT pants kind of definitely scraped up there. My boots are good. But yeah, that sucks. Alright guys, I'll probably film some of this and then keep you updated on how everything else goes. But right now it looks like my peg's down. Got some fairing damage obviously. My clutch is definitely done. And my throttle cable is alright on his side. Yeah. This sucks.
I know you know you're on my